multi-port valve. I have a very odd issue and we are all flummoxed. We have replaced the pump, a 0.75 horsepower. Before we couldn't prime the pump at all. Now we can backwash and rinse, but we still can't prime the pump to pass through the filter and circulate through the heat exchanger. Do you have any ideas?
So clearly the pump is not working if you can backwash, but either the guts of the multi-port valve have been switched, if that was taken apart. Was it put back inappropriately? Because there's certainly only one way that it goes in. Or there is a restriction on the return side. So if you had something stuck in a pipe on the return side, when you try to push water through it, the water basically just stops. So it's not flowing through, it's not flowing anywhere. So what I would do is I would first take the filter apart, look through the filter, take the multi-port valve apart, and follow. You have to picture it in your mind. There's no easy way of doing this. The water comes in here. What happens when it gets in that multi-port? It goes up and over and goes down there, or what is it doing? Try to follow that pattern, first off. If everything else seems okay in there, you're certainly going to want to look inside the filter, clean the filter out, and put new media in. If it's a sand filter, which I'm assuming it would be, put new media in there, check the fingers at the bottom of the filter, and then lastly, and probably most importantly, is check the returns. Can you blow air using a shop vac or something? Can you blow air through the returns, either from the pool side or from the filter side? Because likely if water's not flowing through there, it has something to do with restriction in a line.